What's going on, guys? Reaper here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to assemble your Vietnam P68 lightweight rucksack from start to finish.
Partner 1161. Roger, check 3.
Assuming you already have all the bits and pieces needed to assemble your lightweight rucksack, we can go ahead and get started. We're going to start with our vertical webbing, our cargo straps. So we're going to take our short buckled straps and attach them to the top outside part of the frame through the webbing loops. Now that we've done that, we're going to take our longer vertical cargo straps and attach them to the outside portion of the center bar through the webbing loops. Now this next step can be a little bit tricky if you've never actually seen it done before. So you're going to take your longer vertical cargo strap and come up above the frame like so, in between your two webbing loops, come all the way back down, and then again in between your two webbing loops. Back up to your buckle and weave it through. Now that the outside vertical straps are done, we can go ahead and add our center vertical, coming around the top middle of the frame. Looping it through the center loop on the center bar. Now we can take our top horizontal strap, place it between these notches on the frame, and cinch it down. Now we can take our mid horizontal strap, repeat the same process. Now we'll attach our lower horizontal strap. Now we'll go ahead and attach the lightweight rucksack bag using the main straps on the rucksack bag. You can either run these straps on the outside or in between here on the center bar. I'm going to run mine slightly on the outside, weaving back through the top buckle or D-ring. Now we'll run our straps all the way down to the bottom of the frame and tie them into our tri-glide. Now we'll attach our shoulder straps, making sure that your quick release is on the left side. Now that our upper shoulder straps are attached, we'll go ahead and add our lower straps right here. You can also take your side mounting straps and wrap them through this area of the frame as well. And lastly, we'll go ahead and add our waist belt. And there you have it, guys. That is exactly how you assemble your lightweight rucksack. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode on the assembly of the lightweight rucksack, and I hope it was very helpful to you guys as well. And of course, if you have any questions, be sure to ask me in the comments below. Be sure to clack the hell out of that like button like you're trying to set a claymore off on the Ho Chi Minh Trail. And if you haven't already, do yourself a favor and hit the subscribe button, guys. We have a lot more content just like this coming out here in the very near future. But until then, as always, guys, stay frosty, and I'll see you on your next tour.